Hi, my name is Yazan Ibrahim, also known as Yazan Abu Ghosh. Today we will talk about Chapter 2, Part A, IT Governance 2.0 Introduction, IT Governance and IT Management, Navigating the Digital Backbone of Modern Organizations. Imagine an intricate machine, a vast network of gears, wires, and systems all working together to power a city. In the same way, IT, information technology, serves as the complex machinery underlying modern organizations. But without proper governance and management of this machinery, chaos would reign, systems would falter, resources would be wasted, and risks would skyrocket. That's where IT governance and IT management come in. Together, they form the roadmap and guardrails that steer organizations towards stability, innovation, and success. Let's embark on this journey, breaking down these vital concepts step by step to reveal the inner workings of IT governance and its sibling, IT management. The big picture: what is it, governance? At its core, IT governance is about alignment. It ensures that an organization's IT systems, investments, and initiatives are aligned with its overall goals and strategy. Think of it as the compass that keeps IT pointed in the direction of business success. But it's far more than just navigation. It's about control, structure, and accountability. IT governance and IT strategy 2.1. Picture a company setting ambitious goals, becoming a market leader, entering new industries, or delivering faster, more reliable customer services. IT governance makes sure that the technology choices and IT strategies support these goals. It's not just about having cutting-edge tech, it's about having the right tech. A company may adopt cloud computing, for example, not just because it's trendy, but because it enables scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency, all of which align with its business ambitions. When IT strategy and governance intertwine effectively, organizations gain a competitive edge. They're not running on yesterday's systems for today's problems, they're looking ahead, building IT strategies that prepare them for tomorrow. But this alignment can't simply be improvised. It requires frameworks, policies, and systematic planning. The foundation, IT frameworks 2.2. Every architect needs blueprints, and in IT, those blueprints come in the form of frameworks. These frameworks guide how IT decisions are made, monitored, and evaluated. There's no one size fits all. Different frameworks suit different organizational needs, and often multiple frameworks work in harmony. Some of the most notable include COBIT, Control Objectives for Information and Related Technologies. Think of this as a governance and management toolbox for IT. It defines clear roles and responsibilities and bridges the gap between business demands and IT capabilities. ITIL, Information Technology Infrastructure Library. This is the go-to guide for managing IT services effectively, ensuring they deliver value. ISO IEC 38500, a high-level framework focusing on IT governance principles. It's about ensuring IT delivers value while managing risks efficiently. By adopting robust frameworks, organizations create structure amid complexity, ensuring that no stone is left unturned when planning their IT governance approach. Policies, Standards, and Procedures 2.3. The rulebook for IT frameworks set the stage, but the actual play of governance happens with policies, standards, and procedures. These are the rules that ensure consistency, security, and efficiency. Policies establish the what, the overarching principles. Standards define the how, the specific benchmarks for performance and behavior. Procedures outline the step-by-step instructions for getting things done. For instance, a company may have a stringent password policy requiring regular changes, a standard defining password strength, and a procedure for resetting forgotten passwords. Together, these ensure security is maintained without becoming a headache for users. All hands on deck. Organizational structure 2.4. What's a great playbook without the right team to implement it? Governance heavily depends on organizational structure, clear roles, responsibilities, and decision-making chains. In any organization, the key players in IT governance often include the board of directors. They set the tone, asking the big picture questions like, how is it enabling our strategy? CIOs and IT leaders. These are the tactical decision makers translating the board's vision into actionable IT initiatives. Auditors and risk officers. They keep an eye on compliance and ensure risks are managed wisely. By defining who does what, organizations avoid confusion, ensure accountability, and strengthen their ability to respond to challenges. The digital blueprint, enterprise architecture 2.5. Just as cities are built on thoughtfully designed infrastructure, roads, electrical grids, water systems, organizations thrive on enterprise architectures. Enterprise architecture serves as the blueprint connecting data, applications, hardware, and everything in between to the organization's strategy. This architecture ensures that IT isn't just a patchwork of solutions, but a harmonized system designed for scalability, efficiency, and adaptability. For example, a well-laid architecture can ensure that when new systems are introduced, they don't create bottlenecks or redundancies, but instead integrate smoothly into the existing ecosystem. Navigating peril, enterprise risk management 2.6. No system is without risks, and IT is no exception. From data leaks to system outages, the risks are myriad. Enterprise risk management, ERM, focuses on identifying, assessing, and mitigating these risks before they can cripple operations. For instance, a company operating in finance might face regulatory risks, while a healthcare provider could face patient data security risks. By using tools like risk assessments and mitigation plans, organizations safeguard their assets while still pursuing innovation. How mature is your IT governance? 2.7. Like athletes striving for peak performance, organizations constantly assess and improve their IT governance using maturity models. These models measure how well governance processes are being implemented, offering a roadmap toward higher levels of efficiency and effectiveness. For example, an organization may progress from a level where IT decisions are reactive and uncoordinated, immature, to a level where IT is strategically integrated and driving business growth, mature. Navigating the law, compliance, and regulations 2.8. In today's interconnected world, IT governance must follow a web of laws, regulations, and industry standards. From GDPR's stringent data privacy rules to Sarbanes-Oxley's financial reporting mandates, organizations must navigate a labyrinth of regulations. Non-compliance can result in hefty fines, reputational damage, or worse, complete operational shutdowns. This makes legal and regulatory awareness a crucial part of IT governance. A seamless transition, IT management. While IT governance lays the foundation, IT management is the construction crew that builds on it. IT management handles resources 2.9, optimizing people, budget, and technology to meet goals. Service providers 2.10, from vendor contracts to outsourced tech, ensuring partners deliver value. Performance monitoring 2.11, tracking KPIs and metrics to keep on course. Quality assurance 2.12, ensuring IT systems deliver consistently high performance. For instance, imagine a retail chain launching an online store. IT management would ensure the platform is stable, scalable, and secure, while governance ensures the project aligns with overall business goals. At the end, we will take case study. By the end of our exploration, it's clear that IT governance isn't just about technology, it's about people, strategy, and structure, working in harmony to make the digital systems we rely on function seamlessly. Equally, IT management transforms these strategic goals into tangible achievements. Together, they ensure organizations can thrive in a tech-driven world. And now the question remains, how equipped is your organization to tackle the complexities of IT governance and management? The future isn't waiting, it's time to shape the systems that will define it. Thank you for watching, and as always, continue learning. Stay curious, and we'll see you next video.